Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. So yet another video on probability, and this time I am going to take up some long questions based on probability. I mean, probability is never long, right? But you can have so many different parts of the same question. So very important chapter, and I'm sure this is going to help you in cracking all the questions of probability. Very important for class 9th and 10th class students, especially for 10th board exams. And if I hope you have watched the previous video in which I told you all the concepts of probability. If you have not done it, please watch that also. Right, so the problems on dice, problems on cards, and the problems of numbers. This is playing cards. Okay, so let's take up those questions. And basic skills are really important, and that's why I always talk about the Vedic Maths video course. This particular video course focuses on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, divisibility. Now you must be thinking, what? So easy things? But if I give you 200 problems of subtraction and multiplication, can you do that in an hour? Oh, that's difficult, right? And that's what the Vedic Maths course aims at. 10 times faster speed of calculations. It has given you 61 explanatory videos, concepts and illustrations, 114 worksheets to test yourself and check your answers. WhatsApp 9896366669 9896369963 now to find the best offers going on right now. And you can find this WhatsApp number in the description box below also. Okay, so go for this. It will surely help you in fast calculation. So friends, what is the first question we are going to take up? Two dice. So whenever I see two dice, I immediately remember 36 cases: 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, so on up to 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. Okay, so I don't have to write them, right? You know what are those 36 cases, right? So total, I'll just write total outcomes. Total outcomes are 36 in number. And so let's find the first part. What is the probability of getting a sum less than 6? Sum less than 6. Sum is less than 6. Okay. So sum can be minimum 2, right? 1, 1. Both dice has 1, 1. So sum can be only 2. So if we say sum is less than 6, that means the sum can be 2, 3, 4 or 5. For 2 it is just 1, 1. For 3 it is 1 2 and 2 1. For 4 it is 1 3 2 2 and 3 1. For 5 it is 1 4 4 1 2 3 and 3 2. Right? So I have listed down all the favorable cases related to the first the event that the sum of the numbers is less than 6. In every one of them you find that the sum of the numbers is less than 6. And now, how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases. So the probability will be 10 out of 36. That is 5 out of 18. That is the answer for the first part. Likewise, if the question was sum less than 7, probability of sum being less than 7. So we have to list down these cases and include one more. When the sum is 6. What are those cases? 1 5 2, it's not 1 5, 1 6. If the sum is 6, right? So 1 5, I was correct. Then 2 4, then 3 3, and then 4 2, and then finally we have the last one 5 1. Right? So let's rub this one so that you don't get confused. This is 5. So 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2 5 1. So how many cases are added now to these 10 cases? 10 plus 5 15, and so 15 upon 36, which is 5 upon 12. I have cancelled the common factor 3. Okay, so 5 by 12 is the answer for the second part. Now let's look at the third case. It says sum more than 7. So probability that the sum is greater than 7. Greater than 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can check now. How many possible favorable cases are there? Greater than 7 starts with 8. So how many cases will have a sum 8? 2 6, 35, 44, 53, 62. 5 cases. Now move on. Sum 9. Sum 9 starts with 3, 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3. So 4 cases. Sum 10. 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4. 3 cases. Sum 11. 5, 6, 6, 5. 2 cases. And sum 12 only 1 case. 6, 6. Out of a total of 36 cases. And therefore your answer for this part will be 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 by 36, and that is 5 by 12. So the answer is 5 by 12. Likewise, if you have 8 as the sum, so you already have done it in the third part. What is the probability that the sum equal to 8? So we counted here 5 cases. Should I say again? 8 sum comes with 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3 and 6, 2. So 5 cases. So 5 out of 36 is the answer for the final part. Right? So this is 2 dice question. Let's have this question where there are face cards obviously in a pack of cards. All the 3 face cards of spades are removed from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. So 3 face cards are removed. Now remember, 52 cards, they have 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, 13 clubs and 13 spades, right? Now these 13 spades, we are removing 3 cards. And now the spades are only 10. So there are 10 spades now. Okay. This is schematic. We just do for understanding sake. A card is drawn at random from the remaining pack. So minus 3, 49 cards are now remaining. And from these 49 cards, we are taking out a card. Find the probability of getting a black face card. So the first part. Black face card. Remember, all these spades are also black. Right? So when all the face cards of spades are removed, that means the black face cards are 3 less in number now. We have the face cards of clubs in the pack. How many face cards are black now? 3 face cards of clubs, king, queen and jack. And only those 3 are in the pack, which are black and face card, because the spades were removed. I hope you understand that. So probability of getting a black face card now will be 3 favorable upon a total of 49. You understood? In the second part, he is asking us a queen, probability of getting a queen. Now, since we have only 49 cards and we are drawing one, how many queens are there now? The 3 cards which were removed were king, queen and jack of spades. So 1 queen is gone. So how many queens remain? 1, 2, 3. 1 of diamond, 1 of heart and 1 of clubs. So 3 out of 49 is again the probability. Same answer there. And in the third part, a black card, probability of a black card. So how do you find this probability? See, these are red, these are red, these are black. So 13 black here and 10 black here because 3 were removed. So 13 plus 10, 23 black cards are still in the pack out of a total of 49. That gives you your answer. And there are no common factors which you can cancel. So these are the final answers. Right. So understanding of the cards is really important. Let's see this one. Cards are marked with numbers 3 to 50. Okay, remember 3 to 50, 3, 4, 5 up to 50. And placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. 1 card is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the number on the card is the first part. Divisible by 7. Pretty easy here. Divisible by 7. So which numbers out of 3 to 50 are divisible by 7? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. So how many are these? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards out of a total of how many? Now that is important. Only 1 and 2 are not in the box. Out of 50 cards, 1 and 2 are not in the box. So total cards are 50 minus 2, that is 48, and 7 upon 48 becomes the answer for the first part. In the second part, he is asking us the probability that a number which is a perfect square. So let's check out of the numbers 3 to 50 which are the perfect squares. 4, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36 and 7 square 49. That's it. These are the perfect squares. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of a total of 48, and therefore 6 upon 48, you know the answer, right? 1 upon 8, and that gives us the probability of getting a perfect square number. So we can go on and on, probability questions are endless. So let's have one more. A box contains 12 balls, so there are 12 balls in total, out of which X are white. Okay, if one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that it will be a white ball? First part is quite easy. Probability of getting a white ball is, how many are white? X are white. So X out of a total of 12. So this is the probability for the first part. Very easy. Now the second part. If 6 more white balls are put in the bag, now see what happens in the second part. 12 balls become 18 balls. Why? Because 6 more balls are put. And out of these 18, how many are white? X were white already, right? And now 6 more white balls. So X plus 6 now are white out of 18. And so the probability of drawing a white ball will now be, probability of white in the second part will be X plus 6 white upon a total of 18. And what has he given in the question? The probability of drawing a white ball will become double that of the first part. That means this one is double of the first part, right? So you can write, according to question, X plus 6 upon 18 is equal to double of X upon 12. So the 2 cancels 12 6 times, 6 cancels 18 3 times. Just cross multiply and find the answer, you will get it. So 3x equals X plus 6, 2x equals 6, x equals 3. That's what he was asking us to do, find x, and the value of x is 3. So a tactical question there, and you need to be sure that you are doing the right thing, and obviously get the correct answer by solving this simple linear equation which you get in the question, right? So friends, probability, you can manipulate the questions and make some new questions. So, and solve the entire worksheet which I have given in this course. Do share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting the notifications. Thanks for watching this video and all the best.